Have you ever wondered what blockchain really is? At its essence, blockchain is a digital ledger, a record book that exists online. But here's the fascinating part. It's not stored in just one place. Instead, it's shared across thousands of computers worldwide. Once something is recorded on this ledger, it's nearly impossible to alter. Imagine a notebook that everyone can see, no one can erase, and everyone agrees on. That's blockchain. It's a revolutionary way to store and verify information, ensuring transparency and security without relying on a central authority. Let's break down how blockchain operates. Picture Alice sending Bob $10 using blockchain. This transaction is noted on a page in our shared notebook, but instead of one person writing it, everyone on the network gets a copy. Once a page fills up with transactions, it becomes a block. This block is then locked in and linked to the previous one, forming a chain, a blockchain. Each block contains a list of transactions, a unique ID called a hash, and a reference to the block before it. This interconnected structure ensures that the data is secure and tamper-proof. Blockchain is a game changer for several reasons. First, it's decentralized, meaning no middlemen like banks or companies control it. Second, it's transparent, allowing anyone to view the history of transactions. Third, it's secure. Once something is added, it can't be easily changed. This means people can send money, share data, or sign contracts without needing to trust a single authority. Blockchain technology empowers individuals by providing a reliable and open platform for various activities. While blockchain is the technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, its potential extends far beyond digital money. Think of blockchain as the internet, and cryptocurrencies as the websites or apps built on it. Blockchain can revolutionize supply chains by tracking products from factory to store, enhance digital identity by proving who you are online, secure voting systems by making elections more transparent, and enable smart contracts, digital agreements that execute themselves. The possibilities are vast and varied, showcasing blockchain's versatility. However, blockchain isn't without its challenges. It can be slow, energy-intensive, especially with some cryptocurrencies, and complex to scale. Additionally, it's still evolving, which means there are hurdles to overcome. But understanding the basics now puts you ahead of the curve. So, now you know what blockchain is, a digital, secure, decentralized way to record and verify things. Simple, right? If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more beginner tech explainers, and drop your questions below. I'm here to help.